Hello, 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 Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel, you all. I am TErickaLove. All right, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp. So I was sitting back, I was contemplating. I'm like here, I'm ready to give you all some more messages here. And I'm like, what will I need? I need an idea. Y'all, I'm full of ideas. I be full of ideas, okay? And I had a great idea. I feel it's a great idea. I'm so excited, okay? We're going to get you all some advice for this year's Valentine's Day, okay? Coming up in a few weeks. Valentine's Day is 4 days before my birthday. So I feel a lot of love. I want you all to feel a lot of love. I just want all of us to just know that we are loved. And we are loved with the ED. Okay. All right. So Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp. Let's jump into it. Please know that these will be general messages, y'all. They may or may not resonate with all of you beautiful individuals. Okay. If you find messages here that resonate, please feel free to take them with you. If you find messages here that does not resonate with you at all, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp, then please do just leave them here on the table to allow someone to pick them up that they will resonate with. Okay. All right. So we're going to get, y'all, we got our wild thoughts here. Okay. We're going to see what song is going to put you all in that mood here on Valentine's Day. All right. So the lyrics to the song is, ooh, baby, don't you dare slow down. Go longer, you can last more rounds. Push harder, you're almost there. All right, so that sounds like Kelly Rowland to me. Let me see, number 10. Yes, Kelly Rowland, Motivation. Okay, Kelly Rowland, Motivation. All right, so that song there is going to put you all in that mood here. All right, let's jump into your advice, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp. Let's get some advice for Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp on Valentine's Day. All right, so let's just make sure, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp, that you don't feel any guilt. You don't take no guilt, shame, or deep remorse, or actions from, or let me see, over past actions and words that can hinder your situation. All right, so let's leave all the guilt, shame, and deep remorse in the past. All right, don't bring that on Valentine's Day with you. Okay, you got protected. So know, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp, that you are safe and divinely guided. You will be protected here. Okay, you got boundaries. Make sure, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp, that you put up firm boundaries. All right, as they will be needed on Valentine's Day. All right. Okay. Let me see. All right, so that's that divine masculine here. You could be the divine masculine that is watching this here, and this is your advice. Or if you are a feminine energy, this is what your masculine is probably going to be doing here on Valentine's Day. Maybe going to have some boundaries up due to them feeling some type of guilt or shame over some past something, okay? As you go into Valentine's Day, please release and let go of what no longer serves you, all right? You could be erratically releasing some physical tension, all right, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's see, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp. Let's get you all some more advice here. Okay, so you got ghosted here. I don't know, maybe I don't know, you got to watch out for the person that has been kind of in and out here. All right, so just make sure when you choose to spend your time with somebody, they're going to want to, pretty much stick around. Or you just give that love to yourself because it's okay, okay? We ain't got time to be getting ghosted, okay? All right, Capricorn, Aquarius, because somebody could be giving you some money. You could be receiving some money here. You could be spending money here or circulating. That's what we do, we circulate. on a date, okay, or going out to eat, all right? So just make sure, you know, you just, oh, you got offer here, all right? So somebody is going to be giving you an offer here, Capricorn, Aquarius, because you could be receiving an offer. This offer could be kind of costly here, all right? So you just make sure if you give out this offer, make sure, you know, you have up some boundaries, okay? Or if you accept an offer here, then just make sure that you're going to be okay if the person, you know, just don't say nothing after Valentine's Day for a few days, you know? They're probably trying to soak it all up, let it, you know? Okay. So Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp, your advice on Valentine's Day. This person, maybe this person that ghosted you here, that you could have possibly given them some money or of, you know, some monetary something here, going to give you an offer here because they want you back here. Somebody's going to be wanting to get very close to you on Valentine's Day, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp. So let's get you all a few more messages. Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp. Okay. You got control, so make sure you relinquish control here. Don't be too controlling, or if you're feminine energy here, I guess don't allow the masculine energy to kind of be too controlling. You know, you put up some boundaries, okay? All right, you got to take my hand here. So advice here, this person is going to want to, maybe y'all going to be holding hands. Walking down the beach, you know, walking down, I don't know, walking to the date here, but, I don't know, yeah, you want this person to take your hand, or they're going to want you to take their hand here, okay, but let's keep going, all right, so you want to release and let go whatever it is that, has you kind of like, stagnated here, okay, all right, so, yeah, all right, so advice, just release and let go what no longer serves you, okay, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp, and you got twin flames. So this person that wants you back here, this person feels spiritually connected here to you, okay, maybe you released and let this person go because they wasn't willing to put in the work previously here, and you kind of like relinquish, or you know, you gain control in the situation. I don't know, but y'all let me know, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cusp, what goes on Valentine's Day, okay? All right, so these are your messages. I hope that they will be helpful. Thank you so much for joining me, you all. I salute the divinity in you all. I am sending you so much love, so much light, so much positivity, and I will see y'all next time, okay? Bye.